What if the only thing standing between you and a $10,000 a month online income is the wrong AI tool? Most people are stuck playing with free trials, testing 100 tools, and getting nowhere. But there's a method that actually works. It turns simple websites into real cash, automates the grind, and scales into monthly paychecks. And the upgrade that makes all the difference, it's not the one you think. So, which tool is actually worth your money, and which one will just waste your time? Let's break it all down. AI is everywhere right now. People are testing tools, watching tutorials, signing up for trials, hoping one of them magically makes money. But here's what most never realize. You don't need 100 AI tools. You just need one that fits into a money-making system. That's the part everyone skips. They focus so much on features and gimmicks, they forget the real question. What problem can this tool help me solve for someone else? See, the ones who are actually getting paid aren't chasing viral tools. They've found a simple, repeatable method. They've locked into one clear value offer and used AI to deliver it faster, cheaper, and better than most agencies could. That's why this video isn't another tool comparison. It's about how people are turning a $20 upgrade into a $10,000 per month system, not with courses, not with content, but by solving one real-world problem using the power of AI. But how do they do it? Step 1. Find a problem AI can solve today. Let's start with the easiest part of the entire system. Finding the problem. If you want to make money with AI, don't overthink it. You don't need a big brand or fancy app. What you need is a simple problem that already exists. And the truth is, there's one staring at us in plain sight. Thousands of small businesses still don't have websites. That's not an exaggeration. Go on Google Maps, search for local services in small towns, and scroll through the results. You'll see real companies with real phone numbers and reviews, but no website linked to their business. And this isn't rare, it's everywhere. Roofers, landscapers, barbershops, auto repair shops, mobile groomers, even med spas. These are legit businesses that are invisible online. Now, here's the key part. These are people who already spend money to run their business. They buy equipment, pay for staff, and sometimes even run ads without a proper landing page. That's a gap, and it's your opportunity. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to code. All you need to do is offer them a done-for-you site that actually makes them look professional, and AI makes that super easy now. But before we get into the building part, the first step is knowing exactly where to look. Avoid big cities. Don't waste time with oversaturated markets like New York or Los Angeles. Go smaller. Look for nearby towns, suburbs, or even rural areas. These businesses get overlooked, which makes your pitch way more valuable. Less competition means more response. Now that you've found a business with no website, here's where things get exciting. Step 2. Use AI to build a done-for-you solution. This is the moment most people overcomplicate. They freeze up thinking they need to learn coding or hire a developer. You don't. Thanks to AI website builders, you can create a complete, professional-looking website in under 10 minutes, even if you've never built one before. The method is called the already done method. It's smart, simple, and super effective. Instead of waiting for a client to request a website, you flip the process. You build a demo site in advance, tailor it to that business type, say roofers or pet groomers, and then offer it as a ready-to-launch solution. Tools like Go High Level, Durable, or even AI-integrated platforms like 10Web let you do this easily. You just pick a template based on the business niche, customize the name, address, contact info, and services, and the platform handles the rest. You don't have to write a single line of code. You don't even have to write the content from scratch. Most of these platforms include AI writing tools to help fill in the basic text. Let's say you're building a roofing site. You add their business name, list roofing services like shingle repair or metal roof installation, include a Get a Free Quote button, and drop in their contact number. This flips the usual sales dynamic. Instead of saying, "Hey, I can build you a site," you say, "Hey, I already built one. It's yours if you want it." That's why it works. It's not a promise. It's proof. Most beginners try to land a client first, then figure out how to deliver. This method lets you show the value up front, and it's fast. Once you've built 1 or 2 sites, you'll get even faster at it. Once your website is built, The next move is getting it in front of the right business owner, and that starts with the perfect email. Step 3. Send the golden email that converts. The mistake most people make here is sounding too formal or pushy. Instead, speak like a real person. Start with their name. Mention something specific about their business, and keep it short and personal. You're not writing a pitch, you're starting a real conversation. The magic of this method is in the offer itself. You're not asking if they want a website. You're telling them you've already made one, and it's ready to go. That shifts the mindset instantly. Drop the price clearly. Something like, normally I charge $3,000, but since it's already done, I'm offering it for $1,000 flat. That makes it feel exclusive and urgent. Add a demo link so they can preview it themselves. And just like that, you've got their attention. You don't need to send hundreds of messages. Just 10 to 15 personalized emails a day can land you consistent clients. Most people using this system say even one reply is enough to make it worth it. Step 4. Turn one-time clients into monthly income. Closing that first $1,000 website sale is a solid win, but the real shift happens when you turn that into steady, monthly income. Instead of treating it like a one-off project, use it as your entry point into something long-term. Small business owners already need services like local SEO, email marketing, and content updates. And AI makes it easier than ever to offer those without needing a full team or advanced skills. Start with local SEO. Help your clients show up on Google Maps, manage their business profile, and get more reviews. That alone can justify a $100 to $300 monthly fee. Then there's AI-powered email marketing. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude can draft promotional emails or appointment reminders that you plug into platforms like MailerLite or Brevo. Fast to deliver, valuable for them. Another easy win is offering blog posts or Google Business updates. Package it all into a simple content bundle. One blog, 2 updates, whatever fits their business. And let AI handle the writing. Keep the service options tight and focused on results like visibility and lead generation. That's what your clients care about. If you just sign 10 clients on $250 retainers, that's $2,500 per month in recurring income. Stack that with new site sales, and you're well on your way to hitting 10K months. No burnout, no overload. Just repeatable value powered by smart AI tools. Now let's figure out which upgrade actually helps you run all of this smoothly. Step 5. Choose one AI upgrade that pays you back. When it comes to AI tools, there are too many options. And that's where most people lose time and money. They test everything, get distracted by features, and never fully use any of them. The smart move is to pick one upgrade that actually helps you deliver your services faster and better. Let's break it down based on what you're doing. If you're writing emails, building websites, creating content, or automating parts of your client work. ChatGPT Plus is easily the most useful all-rounder. It gives you access to more powerful models like GPT-4, better memory, faster responses, and way fewer limits. You can create smart workflows, draft entire blog posts, or even generate SEO reports. Most of the heavy lifting can be done inside one chat window. Now, if your services involve document-heavy tasks, like analyzing spreadsheets, preparing reports, or working inside Google Docs, Gemini Advanced gives you a massive 1 million token context window. That means you can upload big files and get organized feedback without breaking things into small chunks. Plus, if your clients use Gmail or Google Workspace, the integration is a major time saver. Then there's Perplexity Pro, which is more of a real-time research engine than a conversation tool. If you're doing competitor analysis, market research, or trying to keep clients updated with fresh data, it's great. You can find sources, track trends, and pull quick insights without spending hours digging through articles. Now, you don't need all of these. In fact, trying to use them all will slow you down. The goal is to match the right tool to your core offer. For most people using the already done method, ChatGPT Plus is the best first move. It's the most flexible, the most capable, and it works for both outreach and delivery. Whether you're writing an email, generating website content, or building a quick report, it does the job. This is where the $20 upgrade becomes a serious asset. It's not just about unlocking extra features. It's about saving time, improving your service, and increasing what you can charge. If you're serious about scaling this into real income, that single upgrade can completely shift your workflow. Now that you've got the system and the right tool in place, let's talk about how to scale this to $10,000 a month without burning out. Scale to $10,000 per month. Once you've got your first few sales and a system that works, scaling to $10,000 a month becomes a matter of consistency, not complexity. You don't need to reinvent anything. You just need to keep doing what's already working, then gradually increase your volume and tighten up your delivery. Start by setting a clear weekly target. Let's say you build and sell 2 websites each week at $1,000 each. That's $8,000 a month right there. Not every offer will convert, so you'll need to send quality outreach daily. Once you close a sale, turn on your delivery system. That's where your AI tool does the heavy lifting. Whether it's ChatGPT writing the content, Claude polishing the email campaigns, or Gemini helping you break down a client's Excel sheet. Keep your templates saved and tweak them based on the client's niche. This way, what used to take hours now takes minutes. To make things even smoother, use automation or lead tools like Apollo.io or Clay to help with outreach. These tools can pull local business data, phone numbers, emails, niches, and let you spend more time closing deals instead of hunting them down manually. And you don't need to scale to a massive agency. A solo setup or a small team of virtual assistants is more than enough to manage client work as you grow. The real shift happens when you combine one-off website sales with monthly retainers. If you close just 4 new clients a month and keep 5 to 10 on monthly services, you've already hit your goal. You're not chasing trends or testing random features. You're building something solid. A lean AI-powered agency built around solving one clear problem over and over again. This method doesn't rely on luck or virality. It's built on repeatable actions, real demand, and tools that do the heavy lifting for you. When you stick to that, scaling to $10,000 becomes less of a stretch and more of a routine. So, if AI can build the website, write the emails, and close the deal, what's stopping it from building your entire income stream too? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if this guide gave you even one useful tip, just wait till you see what's coming next. For more AI game-changing videos, smart productivity hacks, and the latest tech tricks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out.